Hey guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm here with just a short little makeup haul video for you guys. So my stepmom has been getting the Ipsy bags, and I don't get them anymore because I used to get them, like my mom would get them for me, and I just can't afford it myself. And it's a big long story. I don't really talk to my mom anymore, so yeah, that's a big long story for a separate video. But I don't get Ipsy anymore. So my stepmom gave me a bunch of hers that she's not going to use because she doesn't use a lot of makeup, like a huge amount. But she likes some. But she gave me what she's not going to use, and then she happened to get a lot of stuff for me from Kroger's. They were having a gigantic sale on makeup the other day. Sorry, I have a bag beside me and my dog keeps hitting it. And a bunch of it was like 99 cents and stuff. So she picked me up some stuff that she knew I was wanting to try or just needing or whatever. And we're going to go through it. I actually haven't looked through all of it, so it's going to be a surprise to me too. But we're going to have a little mini makeup haul. So this is the first bag of stuff, which has actual Ipsy items in it, which is just a blue bag. This little corner's got some little like sprinkles on it. Super cute. The first thing we have is the Space Case Cosmetics eyeshadow, and it is in the color Messy Loch Nessie. And this looks really cool. It's like a foily green color, it looks like. Ooh. My friend Mickey would love this color. She would be totally obsessed with it. She likes doing really colorful, like, different makeup looks and stuff. I'm just going to take a little cotton pad and have some makeup removing stuff over here just to remove this off my finger, because the table that I film on now, my grandma decided she was going to put a white tablecloth on, so I don't want to get makeup all over her white tablecloth, so I'm just going to wipe this off before I touch it, because that would not go over very well. So then this is the Tetris eyeshadow when Tetris and Ipsy did a little collab, which I really wanted this bag, but I didn't get it. And it's the eyeshadow Top Out. So this is what the little packaging looks like. I used to love playing Tetris when I was little. Oh my gosh, this is the coolest packaging ever. This is like a blue eyeshadow. This one's really cool. Mickey would like this one as well. I'm going to have to send her pictures of these two. She's going to be obsessed. My friend Mickey, she was so funny. She was telling me the other day how she gets Ipsy, and she's forgotten her password for it, and it was to an old email account that is set up under, and she doesn't have the email account anymore. But she still gets the Ipsy bag from it. And when she made the account, for some reason she was stupid that day and made it for all natural like eyeshadows and stuff, so they don't send her really anything colorful or anything. And she's like, I'm so mad because I never wear natural eye makeup or anything. It's always bright colors and I don't get any of it. So she'll be pretty jealous. Alright, so then from Phase Zero Makeup I have the Making Moves blusher, which is a really pretty pinky color. Ooh. It's very shimmery. This is really nice. It's really pigmented. I think this could be one of those that you could use as a highlight and a blush in one. So you wouldn't have to put highlight on with it. I mean, you could if you wanted to, but you don't have to. Alright, then from Laritzi Cosmetics, we have the Utopia DuPont Illuminator, I think it says. This looks super pretty as well. So this is like a cream highlight, I'm guessing, or like a cream blush. Oh no, it's definitely a highlight. It's a pinky toned highlight. I don't know if you can see it. It's like right here on my hand. Yeah, it's not coming across on camera, but it's really pretty in person, trust me. I'm excited to wear that. Oh, I dropped the lid. Oh god, my dog's gonna eat it if I don't find it. Where did it even go? I don't know where it went, guys. Give me 1 second. I found it. So then this was an add-on that my stepmom had ordered, and she ordered the Mellow Precise Pen eyeliner. And she told me, she's like, I don't know why I ordered it, because I hate using eyeliner and I never use it. But she had got it and attempted to use it, and it turned out really bad. She sent me a really funny picture. And yeah, so it's now mine because I like these pen eyeliners, and she just hates eyeliner in general. But yeah, so I'm excited to try that one out. I feel like I've tried that brand before, just not that eyeliner. But yeah. So everything else is a bunch of makeup she got at Kroger's. Looks like it's mainly foundation. Let's take a look. So the first thing is the CoverGirl True Blend Liquid Makeup, which I've tried this foundation before, and I absolutely love it. And it was only 99 cents, and it's in the color Golden Natural, I think. It says M2, so that would be medium 2. It should work, because I've been doing a fake tan lately. I don't have it on now, but... Snoop, what are you doing? This is the color of it. I think it'll blend out nicely with my tan. This actually comes in really handy, because I was just running out of foundation. And now I'm stocked up. So, and I've tried that foundation before. It's been a long time, but I used to really love it. Alright. So then she got me 2 of these CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Creams for oily skin. And I have combination skin. If you didn't watch my morning skincare routine, I talked more about my skin and how it is. I'll leave a little iCard up here for it. But she got me 2 of them. She got me 520 in light/pale. And then she got me 530 light/medium. So I'm excited to give these a try. And again, all of it was 99 cents. It's ridiculous. It's so cheap. So then she got me another one of the CoverGirl True Blend foundations. But this is the matte tone. And this is in L20, so light 20, I'm guessing. I don't know. They don't have like actual names like Ivory or anything written on them. But then from CoverGirl, to go with the other CoverGirl stuff, she got the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer. And she tried this one out, but I don't think it was her shade. I think it's what she told me. And it doesn't have a shade on here. So we'll have to find out. Oh, I think it might be a little yellow for me. It might be okay when I'm tan. That might be alright. I don't know. I'll have to try it on like an actual full face of makeup. And then she got a mascara from Maybelline, and it's actually in the color Black Cherry. It's the Snapscara. Ooh. And this is the packaging. That'll be interesting. It's not like a pure black, it's kind of like a purpley tone. So I'm excited to try that out and see what it does for my lashes. I slept with my makeup last night. My face is a mess. It's my first day off work in like 8 days, so I'm relaxing and sleeping, like not sleeping most of the day. I'm going to relax all day though. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it was kind of random. I just wanted to do something to kind of relax. I'm going to film another one here in a little bit. And I'm going to do a BoxyCharm unboxing for July. And my voice just cracked. I'm going to get off here for now. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.